Do you watch the news? I don't really like to watch it myself. If you do, that's good. But some of the time it gets too overwhelming. And whether I watch or not, someone will come to me and say, hey, corona cases is going up. A man got shot over there. The storm is taking over. And that's how news travel. But did you know you can make money from the news? I'm going to show you how. I don't really like to watch it, but I leverage my opportunities and make whatever money I can from the news. Here's how you do that. Whatever interests you or whatever topic you want to make money from, try to type it in. As you can see here, I already type in update on tropical storm Ida, and I'm seeing a lot of blogs here. So what you will do for you to make money, click on the blog that interests you. All right, you don't have to sign up to any one of these blogs because you won't be using the exact same thing they're using. You're gonna leverage what they're doing and make yourself a lot of money. For instance, this is the blog that you want to promote, all right, and make some money from. What I want you to do is go at the content, read whatever they're saying about the storm, all right, and then what you're gonna do necessarily, you're gonna copy whatever they're saying, all right. Say for instance, this is the part that you read and it's interesting and you want to use this part to make money. You copy what is here and you will come to a website called Spinbot. All right, Spinbot is a online website that will generate any form of article for you. So this is an online robot that will do any form of jobs for you. All right, so you will paste it here. Whenever you paste it here, what you're gonna do to get a completely different article, you're gonna click I'm not a robot. They're gonna give you an option to verify that you're not a robot. Where is it? All right, here it is. All right, so here is it to verify you're not a robot. Please click each image counting a motor bus. All right, this is one, 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 and then go. All right, so remember now, I would like you to subscribe to the channel, and I teach all sorts of different ways of how you can make money. All right, so you go right there, invalid, try again. So it seems I missed one of the buses. Paste the actual feed that you got here and you will click I'm not a robot, and right here you got a new article. So they spin the article around with the same words. They put in their own unique words as well, but they spin the article for you. And what you can do, go ahead, copy this article, all right? And what I want you to do is come to this website called Google site. Once you got a Google account, you got a Google site, probably you just don't know. So you go to Google site and you click blank, all right? You click blank and this will be your website letterhead. So you're gonna put the name to grab attention of your customers, all right? So what you will do necessarily, because I just copied the text and I don't want to lose it. So as you see, I press text box and I'm gonna paste the text right here so I don't lose it. All right, because I wanna do some changes to the head and give it also our special name. So let me go back here and see what I want to name it. All right, so let's give it the name Update on Tropical Storm Ida. All right, and go back to your site and you will paste it right here. And I will capitalize this word, and you can do it for all of the start. Then what you will do, if you want to change how this is, you can choose the color. You can change the color of the background if you like. All right, You can even create the color that you want. You can change the background of your letterhead as well and put in whatever you want it to be. And right here where I add the text, this is where you will add your text as well. But to leverage and make more money from this, what I would like you to do, you would come back right here, you would add a next text box, all right, and you will put get storm supplies here. All right, so whenever you do that, what I want you to do now, I want you to go to this website called Amazon. All right, the video is getting too long. Please remember to subscribe. I want to move a little bit more speedy and what I'm doing here. You would go to Amazon, all right, and you will type in something or some things that can help people in a flood. All right, so let's see, flashlights. So you would type in flashlights, you would sign up to Amazon, and you will promote a flashlight, batteries, anything that you know persons will need in a storm. And rest assured, you don't have to do this about storm. You can think about any form of news article that you want to leverage. Alright, sign up to Amazon. They will give you a unique link. You will come back here and you will embed your link in the site. How you will do that, you will press link right here and then you will add your Amazon link here. You would add the same thing, get storm supplies here, and you can put more than one link on this page. All right, so you can keep it here at the top, you can move it to the bottom, and as I said, you can have more than one links if you want to. So you would put them on your page while person is reading what's going on. If they press the link, they will go to your offer and it will be making you money. So that's how you can simply make money from news articles. All right. So please remember to subscribe. If you like the content, comment and tell me what you like. If you don't like it, you still can comment and tell me the problem you have so I can improve myself. So what you would do for persons to see your post, you will go public and public your website, and your website will be public for everyone to see. Before we go right here, you're gonna give your website a name. You can even add a logo right here. You can add videos, you can add pictures of the storm on your post. You can set it up any way you want. All right, so as you see here, you can change the background. I already showed you that. You can do anything that you necessarily want to do here because this is a website for you, and a lot of persons don't know they got free website on Google. All right, so thank you, and I'm getting out of here and come again for more videos. All right.